Want to know how to design streetwear car graphics that actually sell? It all comes down to a simple 5-step formula. Today, we're building this AE86 layout completely from scratch. I've dropped a drive link in the description with every single asset used in this video so you can follow along. Let's get into it. Step 1. Elements and placements. First up, bring your hero image onto the canvas. Press Ctrl-T and transform it just like this. I love this specific style because it forces the hero car to stand out. And listen, don't worry if it looks a little rough right now. We are going to make a lot of heavy adjustments later. Next, grab the assets provided in the description and drop them into the bottom right corner. Adjust them to your liking. If you browse Pinterest, you'll see this layout standard everywhere because it works. Once that's locked in, bring your Celica photo up to the top left corner. I've already removed the background to keep this fast, but if you're doing this yourself, just convert the image to layers and hit the Photoshop background remover, or use Adobe's browser tool. Before we move on, remember the golden rule of design. Trust the process. You will thank me in Step 4. Step 2. Textures and effects. This step is the secret sauce, so watch carefully. Merge all the separate layers for your top left and bottom right corners. Next, select your hero image, go up to the Window tab, click Filters, and open the Filter Gallery. These exact settings are critical for this specific JDM aesthetic. Go to the Sketches tab, choose Torn Edges, and dial your image balance, smoothness, and contrast to 26, 13, and 21. After that, add some grain to your own preference. Now, go ahead and apply this to all your other elements as well. To tie it all together, drop the halftone dot gradient image over everything and set the blending mode to soft light. Step 3. The art of text typography will literally make or break your design. Take note of these fonts. For the Toyota text, we are using Futura PT. Set the blending mode to pass through, and use the hex code FF-0-0-0-0 for that aggressive red. For the AE86 text, we're using PP Nui Montreal in a dark charcoal. Hex code 23-23-23. Align them exactly like I have on screen. The rest of the copy is in the provided text file. Just draw your text boxes and paste them in. Step 4. Sell the design. Here is where the magic happens. To actually sell this design, we need to make it look tangible. Grab this black paper texture, drop it at the very top of your canvas, and change the blending mode to linear dodge. Suddenly, it's not just a digital file anymore, it's a physical product. Step 5. Variations. Want to switch it up? Instead of just using text to fill the negative space, drop in the midnight sticker. Remove the background and place it right where that block of text was. For an extra layer of depth, grab the Japanese togi lettering, drop it at the very bottom layer behind your hero car, and play with the blending options to make it bleed into the background. And there you have it. That is exactly how you build high-end car apparel designs. Drop a comment and let me know what other iconic cars or styles you want me to break down next. Subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.